20 plus 15, 35. 35 multiplied by 2, 70. 70 multiplied by 4 is 7 4s are 28 and 1 0. It means 580 meters square. Here at 580 meters square we have to do cementing. Now we will find out the cost of cementing. Cost of cementing at the rate 1 meter square is rupees 35 and cost of cementing at the rate of 35 per meter square 580 meters square. 580 multiplied by 35. You can multiply this. 5 8s are 44. 25 and 4 29. 3 zeros are 3 8s are 24 and 2 15 and 2 17. It is 3 13. It is 0 and it is 2. It means rupees 20,300. It is the answer. In this way you can solve the solutions. Next question. When two solids can be cuboidal or cubical. When two solids fixed together, when two solids fixed, these are two cuboidal boxes, match boxes. These are cuboidal boxes, can be cubical or cuboidal. When we fix together, how we fix together? Length fixed with length, breadth with breadth and height with height. When we fix these two solids together, what will you observe? You will observe breadth will be the same, length will be doubled and height will remain the same. In this way, when we join two rooms, length will be double or length will be increased, breadth will remain the same and height will also remain the same in this way. Now see the example. Two cubes of side. Cubes means having length, breadth and height same. 4 centimeter are fixed together. Find the total surface area of new solid form. Length of first cube is 4. First cube. Length 4 centimeter. Breadth is also 4 centimeter. Height is also 4 centimeter. Because the boxes are cubical boxes. Second cube. Length is also 4 centimeter. Breadth is also 4 centimeter. Height is also 4 centimeter. When these two cubes fix together, what will new solid form? New solid form cuboid. What will be the length? Length will be double, 4 plus 4, 8 centimeter. Breadth will remain the same because breadth will be same. Breadth, no changes in breadth. It is breadth. It is breadth. So new solid's breadth is also 4 centimeter and height will also remain the same. No double. Same. It is the height of first cube. It is the height of second cube. When we fix together, no changes in height. Height will also 4 centimeter. Now we can find out the total surface area of this cuboid. Total surface area, two faces LB, two faces BH and two faces LH or HL, all in unit centimeter. Now L is 8, B is 4, B is 4, H is 4, L is 8, H is 4, 2, 32 plus 16 plus 32, 2 and 6, 8 and 2, 10, 1 and 3, 4, 4 and 1, 5 and 3, 8, 80 multiplied by 2, 160. What will be the units? 160 centimeter square. It is the answer. In this way, you can find out area of any figure. It will be cubical and it will be cuboidal. Thank you.